Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Ariovit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add a bot on Discord. I will show you step by step how to do it, so you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and let's go. So first what you need to do is enter on the page top.gg. You have also link in the description to this website, and here as you can see you can explore millions of Discord bots and server. If you want Discord bots, you click here, Discord bots, and you now have option here, many option. Okay, I'll take for example me 6, and I click on the add to Discord. Now we choose the server which we need is where we need setup. Okay, for example this Earth. Okay, I chose that server, and now you may confirm that you want to grant me 6 to following permission on Ariovit server. You may choose which you need. For example, and now you click on the authorize, and the captcha a królik in bunny in the grass. And now here you have settings with this bot. You may here change many options with this bot, and when you enter on your Discord and on your server, you will see that you have this bot on your server now. Okay, everyone, welcome me 6 today. Yes. As you can see, did it is bot. So thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, and see you next time. Follow me. Bye bye.